born to be crazy, born to be wild. Oh, I'm unborn for grace.
Hey guys, welcome back to the WFH Corner. Let's talk about how you can turn your daily habits into dollar signs. Let's get that cash flow started. First up, turning your morning routine into cold hard cash. Ever thought about sharing your energizing breakfast recipes on Instagram or making a quick tutorial on your morning workout for YouTube? Well, you can. Instagram and YouTube are gold mines for turning your morning routine into content that pays. Check this out, guys. I'm scrolling through morning routine videos and they're racking up views. Imagine getting paid to share how you start your day.
I'd like that a lot.
Now, who says working out can't be lucrative? Turn that exercise routine into a money-making game. There are apps that pay you to walk, jog, or hit your fitness goals. It's like getting paid to stay healthy. It's a win-win. There are lots of cool apps like Sweatcoin, Achievement, Healthy Wage, or StepBet that rewards you for hitting your step or weight loss goals. You can cash in for gift cards or even real money. Talk about motivation to bet on yourself.
Count me in.
Are you a shopping pro? Well, your shopping sprees could fund themselves. Share your shopping tips, bargain finds, and reviews on platforms like TikTok or Pinterest, just to name a few. Brands love to collaborate with savvy shoppers. I realize that females tend to capitalize on this a lot, but men, don't get left behind. You can show off your swag too. Brands notice when you share their products, and some might even slide into your DMs with sponsorship opportunities. Ka-ching!
Oh, that's big money. Okay.
Oh yeah, big money.
Now, for the persons who love puzzles like myself, I play an unhealthy amount of Sudoku. So this one is my favorite. Did you know you can create puzzle books like Sudoku puzzle books and sell them on Amazon? People love to challenge their brains, and you can be the one providing the fun. Remember, eye-catching covers and clever marketing go a long way. Price it right, and soon you'll be raking in royalties while people enjoy your puzzles. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough of how I created my first Sudoku book, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll spill the beans. In the meantime, go and support your girl by grabbing your copy on Amazon. I'll leave the link in my description box.
What are you waiting for?
Alright folks, that's a wrap on turning your daily habits into cash. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making secrets. Remember, your routines could be your ticket to financial freedom. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!